My name is Mark Murangiri. I am from Kenya and I am the founder of Multifunctional Assistive System, which is also known as MASS. In one sentence, I can describe MASS as a smart, sustainable assistive device that restores mobility, independence, and dignity to people with physical disability. Because movement should not be a barrier to living fully, I was inspired by my late mother who struggled with limited mobility during her illness. Watching her daily challenges, I realized that millions of people face the same risk of injury, dependence, and also frustration in their simplest movements. MASS was born to solve that problem, to make mobility safe, easy, and empowering. MASS enables user to transfer safely, bed, wheelchair, and other positions. While monitoring vital health in real time, it combines energy efficient, user-friendly technology with recyclable materials to create a device that is both functional and sustainable. The impact is profound. People with disability regains confidence and independence. Caregiver experience reduced strain and stress. Hospital, rehabilitation centers, and community gain a solution that is practical, safe, and inclusive. MASS is more than a device. It is a tool that restores dignity, fosters empowerment, and builds a more inclusive world. Thank you, Innovation Authority, for this platform. Together, we can show that the true innovation is human, meaningful, and transformative.